In this video, we will begin to explore the operation of the display. Specifically, we will provide an overview of the main screen and the basic settings. Menu Overview. After switching on, the machine displays the main screen. From here, it is possible to access all functions. In the top bar, there are status icons that indicate, respectively, the menu, the time, and the current chamber temperature. Just below, the favorite recipes are displayed, organized into pages. In the center, there are the manual programs for blast chilling, storage, and proofing, which we will explore in more detail in the next videos. At the bottom, there are icons related to programs, the creation of a new program, and functions. These tools will also be explained in later sections. Basic settings. From the menu, it is possible to access the list of global advanced settings. Here, we find the following menu items: Messages and Alerts. In this section, it is possible to scroll through the alarm history in chronological order. Scheduler. In this section, it is possible to program recipes and manage the calendar. Shutdown. In this section, it is possible to switch off the machine. Service. Access to this section is restricted to authorized technicians. It allows access to advanced maintenance functions, including machine reset, testing, diagnostics, and parameter modification. Finally, the Settings section. In this section, it is possible to configure and modify the main parameters, including Date and Time screen. This screen allows you to set the machine's date and time. It is also possible to set the time zone and decide whether to enable automatic switching between standard time and daylight saving time, based on the selected time zone. Language Settings screen. This allows you to change the user interface language and import new languages. The import of additional languages is started by pressing the plus button at the bottom and inserting a USB flash drive supplied directly by the company. This is the only way to activate the import procedure. Once the USB flash drive is inserted, press Start. After that, the machine needs to be restarted. We now move to the HACCP screen. From here, data can be exported to a USB flash drive in two different modes: Download HACCP and Clear Memory. Download HACCP and Keep Memory, or Clear HACCP Memory. Program Management screen. From this section, it is possible to import and export different programs via the USB port. Specifically, it is possible to import recipes, export recipes, import factory recipes. Parameters screen. This shows an overview of the machine parameters. Parameter modification can only be performed by authorized technical personnel after entering a password. Wi-Fi screen. This allows you to check the Wi-Fi connection and signal quality. The connection is automatic after the initial setup. Finally, there are the factory reset and firmware update sections, which are accessible exclusively to authorized technicians via password entry. If you found this video useful, leave a like and follow us for upcoming content dedicated to the display and machine cleaning.